as a mediator, how are you different, for example, from a judge?
Being a mediator is completely different from being a judge. It's a completely different set of skills, just as being a mediator is different from being a litigator. When I was a litigator, Lori, I was pretty good at cross-examining people at depositions. As a mediator, it's not really a helpful skill, because as a mediator, reducing somebody to a humiliated state by cross-examination doesn't really put them in the mood to make an agreement. Similarly, look at what judges do. Judges are responsible for taking in a lot of information fast, coming to a decision or a judgment, making their decision, and moving on. Because judges are under tremendous pressure to serve as many members of the public as possible in as efficient a way as possible. So that's what judges do. They make decisions and impose those decisions on other people. What the mediator does is completely different and requires different skills. What a mediator does is help people come to their own decisions, decisions with which they can live, decisions that they feel are better than the alternative of proceeding with the litigation, proceeding with the conflict. So in order to become effective as a mediator, if you've started out as a judge or started out as a lawyer, as I did, you don't really leave behind your prior training or your prior knowledge or your prior skills, but you absolutely must add to those skills the completely different and additional skill set of the mediator. So while some of the attributes of a judge or some of the attributes of a lawyer are very helpful as a mediator, you simply must take on those additional skills. For a lawyer, for a judge, for anyone from any other background or profession, merely having had that prior status simply does not make you a good mediator. You have to work hard to develop the skills.